good afternoon. Temperatures fell close to -12 degrees in parts of Scotland last night, but there is a change on the way to much milder weather for the weekend for most of us. You can see that change in our latest satellite picture, this string of clouds showing weather fronts on the way, and that will introduce more in the way of wetter and windier weather for the weekend for many of us. Before then though, as you can see on the satellite picture, there's plenty of fine weather for the bulk of England and Wales. We've got lighter winds as well, so for eastern areas actually we'll see fewer in the way of showers, so much drier day for eastern areas. Still feeling pretty cold though, and the sunshine will turn a little hazier as the day goes on. Now for parts of Northern Ireland, western Scotland, we're already seeing that change to the weather. The wetter weather arriving, some heavy bursts of rain to come this evening. Temperatures will slowly start to climb as well. We could see a little bit more snow just as this rain first comes in on the highest ground, but much of it is going to be falling as rain, and that snow will start to melt. Across the south and east though, still a cold feeling day, and temperatures will fall away quite quickly this evening still. There's still a risk of frost as well as some ice through the early parts of the night. It will turn warmer as the night goes on, as this band of rain and clouds starts to push further south and east. Now that could bring some heavy bursts to the high ground of parts of North Wales as well as parts of the Pennines as well. For many of us though, will be just drizzly rain and quite a lot of cloud around to start the day tomorrow. Temperatures though much higher than they have been lately to start the day, 7 or 8 degrees under the thickest cloud and rain. And although temperatures will fall closer to freezing in the south and east to start the night, actually by around 5 or 6 o'clock it should be closer to about 4 or 5 degrees. So still feeling actually fairly cool, and it will be a fairly unpleasant day for parts of southeastern England with plenty of persistent rain and clouds throughout the day. Elsewhere though, it should brighten up as the day goes on Saturday for parts of Northern Ireland, much of Scotland, Wales by the end of the day, as well as parts of southwestern England. We're likely to see more in the way of sunshine by the end of the day, and it should be relatively dry for many of us. Just a few showers across the far north and west, and temperatures, well, look at that, in the double digits for some of us. The first time we've seen that for a little while, so it will feel quite different when you do get the sunshine on Saturday afternoon, but still down in the mid-single figures for the south and east, so a fairly cool feeling day. You can see the big difference. These are the 24 hours change in our temperature. We're some 3 to 6 degrees warmer by Saturday afternoon compared to today. So definitely a change on the way. As we head towards Sunday, there is unfortunately further wet and windy weather to come. Through the evening though, it'll likely stay fairly dry, at least across more northern areas. The rain will slowly start to ease across the south and east as well. So a drier period overnight on Saturday into Sunday, but this area of low pressure will bring further wet and for some of us quite windy weather, particularly across southwestern areas. So it's worth staying tuned, and you can do that by subscribing to our YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye-bye.